Katherine Maher, and I'm the Executive Director of the Wikimedia Foundation. The Wikimedia Foundation is the organization responsible for supporting Wikipedia and the broader Wikimedia community, which is a group of people from all over the world, hundreds of thousands of people who contribute to making knowledge available to everyone on the planet for free. The Wikimedia community is something that has been around now for 17 years. The Wikimedia Foundation is about 15 years old, and we support Wikipedia. Now, Wikipedia exists in nearly 300 languages and is supported by global communities all over the world, from Morocco to Indonesia to Argentina to Germany to here in Canada. And what we do at the Wikimedia Foundation is we support these communities so that they're able to participate in creating free knowledge, that they're able to partner with other institutions that share common missions and goals, and to ensure that the technology that runs the Wikimedia websites is available to everyone, is fast and accessible and secure no matter where you are. I think one of the most important things that we do at the Wikimedia Foundation is to bring people together. There are people all over the world who share a common set of values around sharing, around wanting access to information to be free and open, around believing that by contributing to the world's knowledge, they're making the world a better place. And it's not just individuals, it's also institutions. Institutions like cultural institutions, museums, universities. There are all sorts of people in this world who participate in the creation of knowledge to benefit humanity. And what we do is we bring those folks together so that they know that as individuals they're not alone, that they're part of a community, and that in that community they find a sense of belonging, a sense of identity, and a sense of participation, which motivates them all the more. So at conferences like where we are here today with Creative Commons, I think we're doing that right now. We're creating a stronger community with more identification that builds on an identity that is so core to who we are when we think about our values as people and in our values as our missions and communities. So that's what we do at Wikimedia, is we try to find ways to let people know they're not alone when they do this work, and by bringing them together, encourage them to do more of it and in ways that are increasingly creative and serve the whole world. Now, how do you get people to share? This is a question we talk about all the time. If you were to ask somebody on the street, be a Wikimedian, join Creative Commons, they probably would say, well, what is that? What is open knowledge? What is open licenses? I think what we talk about is we encourage people to put into the world the work that they do, the experiences that they have, because we want the world to see them for that. I often talk about the fact that on the web, only 3% of the web's content is in Arabic. That means that of all the Arabic speakers on the planet have access to only 3% of the web unless they speak another language. To me, that means that an entire history, heritage, and culture and experience of a people and a language is missing from the web. That seems like a great opportunity to say, won't you share back? Won't you share your knowledge? Won't you share your experiences? Because when we all together share, we all together learn. And that learning creates a world in which there is more understanding, more shared commitment, where we understand the differences that separate us are much smaller than the commonalities that bring us together.